आज बात करते हैं EEBD. This is an emergency escape breathing device, sometimes also known as ELSA, emergency life-saving appliance. On petrochemical tankers and chemical tankers, we have this escape device in each and every cabin apart from the common spaces. In case of an oil tanker, which is carrying mostly crude oil and heavy oil, we do not have it as a part of the individual cabins, but we have it in the common places. What does it do? It is, as the name suggests, emergency escape breathing device. It is to be used only and only for escape. We do not use it to do any job. We do not use it to carry out any work in any enclosed space. Only used in case of an escape. If you have to make an escape. In case of chemical tankers, if you have any ingress of chemicals, any exhaust inside the accommodation, then you have to take it out from your cabin, wear it and come out of your accommodation or go to your abandoned ship, as the case may be, but only for escape. Fairly simple to use, What you have to do is, you have to wear it in your neck like this, and we have this tag here. When we open it in a swift motion, this tag is connected to the bottle here. This tag, the yellow tag, is connected to the bottle. When I open it with a jerk, this will get removed from here and the air inside the bottle will start flowing. Okay. Now, once it does, you have to remove this mask, put it over your head, and make sure that you put this thing firmly onto your mouth and nose, so that we have the proper air. Okay. I will show you the practical demonstration of it, how it is to be used. Let's go. So I put this back inside. Okay. And let me take my glasses off. So here we go. We have it here. I have it in my neck, right? And I suddenly open it, right? See, you see, this has come off, and now I can hear the sound of air. Now all I have to do is take it out, spread it nicely, and put it over my head. And now, I don't know if the sound is coming, I'm having this. And you keep it wearing until you reach a safe place. I will reiterate again that is only to be used in case of escape, not to use to do any work, only for escape. Thank you.